All right, folks, we're here at Kiwanis Park, checking out the playground. There goes Claire. You having fun, Claire? All right, the sun is just coming up, folks. It's a December day, and way over there in the distance, you can see the 5K is about to start. We're gonna go over there. It's the Santa 5K. And Kiwanis Park has a lake. You can see all these people dressed up with Santa hats on. All right, we're here at Kiwanis Park in Tempe, Arizona. It's called the Santa 5K. This guy's running with his dog, maybe. Dog is gonna leave a little surprise on the ground. All right, there's the kiddos playing on the playground behind me. They got some ramadas here at this airport, or not this airport, this park, and some swings. All right, they've got a cool little car here to play with. Mommy. All right, folks, we're here. I see Santa. Is that Santa Claus?
No, it's fake Santa Claus.
That's fake Santa Claus?
We saw Santa, yeah.
All right. Look for Mommy. She's got a red shirt on. All right, it's the Santa Run 5K. And 10K. There goes Waldo. And Waldo. Look for Mommy. All right, there goes everybody. It's a timed event, so whenever you cross the start line, that's your time. Woo, pretty good turnout. Oh, we got a couple dogs too, and a couple elves, and a couple of other costumes here. Some jingle bells. Just some people dressed up like runners. Hey, there they are. Woo! All right. I zoomed in there and I didn't mean to be. All right. Well, the rest of the crew is running through here. Oh, there's another cute little doggy. Two more dogs. Look at this guy's shirt. Ooh. That's funny. Hi. All right. Followed by some dogs. Oh yeah. There's some more dogs here. Pretty good turnout. All right. I think, oh, here's one more person. You can do it. We trust you. We're counting on you to bring in the rear. Oh, we got one more person here. A couple of late bloomers. It's okay, you know. Everybody has to start somewhere. All right, kiddos, is that the end? All right, we got an hour to play. We got an hour to play before they're gonna come back. Don't hit each other. All right, should we go meet Santa? Hello from Kiwanis Park at the 5K. All right, here's Claire's sign. Show me your sign, Claire.
I think all the people want to give me that sign.
Wow, cool sign. Hello from Kiwanis Park at the 5K.
Did you make a sign? What did you say? What? What were your sign? Paper.
I brought it.
This is my sign. Daddy and I
It's a sentimental.
Whoa. That's cool.
In our female 11 to 13 category, third place, Emily Tingom.
Woo!
Second place, Avery LeMay. And in first place, Callie Reiser.
Hi. She's about to go up there. No, she's about to go up and get her. She's about to go up and get her.
Emmy wants it. Yay, Emmy.
All right, in our male 11 to 13.
All right.